I'm going to show you how to automate deep mob learning in this video. So this is going to be a complete end-to-end. I personally am using Ender.io for my automation, but you can use whatever other mod you need, or want, should I say. However, you will need to actually use another mod for some of the automation. So the first thing is that we're going to need a simulation chamber, and this tutorial does assume you already know how to use deep mob learning. Check out my playlist on my channel for deep mob learning if you don't. Now, we can only put into our simulation chamber from the top. So first up, we're going to put in our zombie data model. And then what I'm using with Ender.io is an item conduit, pulling out of a chest on top with polymer clay. You need a lot of polymer clay to actually run these simulations. So if you are going to use Ender.io like I am, set your conduit to extract and have it go into the top of your simulation chamber, meaning it will keep pulling in the polymer clay. Then we're going to get some pristine matter, and we're also going to get our overworldlian matter. We want the pristine matter to go straight into a loot fabricator, and we want the overworldlian matter to go into our storage system. So what I'm doing with Ender.io is I'm pulling out everything from my simulation chamber, which will automatically be the pristine matter and overworldlian matter. However, in the pipe that goes into the loot fabricator, what I'm saying is insert, and I've put a filter on here, saying blacklist overworldlian matter. So it's only the pristine matter that is going into the loot fabricator. Again, you can use any item pipe you want. Mechanism, thermal expansion, Ender.io, the list is endless. Just make sure that you can filter on here so that you can whitelist or blacklist. You want to blacklist the overworldlian matter or whitelist the pristine matter. Then what we want to do is on the input here, I have whitelisted the overworldlian matter so that the pristine matter is going into my loot fabricator and the overworldlian matter is going straight into storage. Then what you want to do is output from your loot fabricator. Let's say I'm automating potatoes being made with my pristine zombie matter. You want to output, you don't need any filter on here, whatever it's being produced in the loot fabricator, again, straight into your storage here, or wherever it goes to. Apart from that, all we need to then do is power your loot fabricator, your simulation chamber, and then here, your loot fabricator. The reason I love Ender.io so much is because I can actually have these two cables intertwining like here, and I don't have to use separate spaces for them. And that is it. That is literally how you are going to automate an entire end-to-end deep mob learning setup. If you are looking for more tutorials on deep mod learning, check out the playlist you now see on screen, and check out my channel for all my other mod guides.